Listen up. Have you ever wondered why you're not making a fortune with your private label rights products? Maybe you've been investing a few $1,000s already and still hoping to build a business one day with it. Let's be honest. To really make lots of money with PLR, you need to be at the top of the game by selling the right product at the right time to the right audience. That's the key to success. And today, here's your chance to get your hands on something that meets all the 3 criteria above to make you a lot of cash in the next year to come. Here's a shocking fact. Online businesses are booming and experiencing a 100% growth rate every single year during the past 5 years. The internet has become the #1 fastest way to build wealth, and everyday rags to riches stories are being reported on major news channels. The continuity business model is thriving online. Millions of people are subscribed to at least 2 subscription-based services and are billed on a monthly basis. Building massive online wealth is at the reach of everyone. Earning consistent daily income with your continuity site is very realistic. Every day, thousands of ordinary people are desperate and looking for help. They are searching for a proven, workable, step-by-step solution to build passive recurring income. They are yearning for that information to be handed to them on a silver plate. I'm talking about high-quality information that will solve their problems. An actionable video training that you'll be proud to sell to literally tens of thousands of people all over the world, which will help them succeed. Plus, you'll be making an insane amount of money from it too. Presenting to you, Continuity Mastery 2.0, how to build everlasting income using deceptively simple online methods. You, as a smart entrepreneur, can see the huge profit potential of this opportunity, and also how you can provide the solution to them with our complete business-in-a-box package. We'll be giving you an actionable step-by-step video training that you'll be proud to put your name on and sell it to literally tens of thousands of people who will thank you for that. But we are not stopping here. We're also handing you all the sales materials to market this product effectively starting today. That's right, and you'll also be shocked by the incredibly low price we're asking for it. So without any further delay, scroll down this page to discover everything about this monster Biz-in-a-Box package that can literally make you insane amount of cash in the next few hours.